Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain my science project drawing of a plant cell. A plant cell is a basic unit of life in plants. Just like our body is made of cells, plants are also made of millions of tiny cells. Now let us look at the different parts of the plant cell drawing and understand their functions. First, the outermost layer you can see here is called the cell wall. The cell wall is strong and rigid. It protects the plant cells and gives it a fixed shape. It also supports the plant. Inside the cell wall, there is another thin layer called the cell membrane. The cell membrane controls what enters and leaves the cell. It acts like a gate that protects the inside of the cell. Next, the yellow area inside the cell is called the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like substance where all the cell parts float. Many chemical reactions of the cell happen inside the cytoplasm. In the center of the cell, you can see a round blue structure. This is the nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It controls all the activities of the cell and contains the genetic material of the plant. Now look at the green oval shapes inside the cell. These are chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain a green pigment called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll helps plant prepare its own food through the process of photosynthesis using sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Next, you can see a large structure inside the plant cell called the vacuole. The vacuole stores water, nutrients and waste materials. It also helps maintain pressure inside the cell and keeps the plant upright. You can also see some small structures inside the cytoplasm. These are called mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce energy needed for the cell's activities. All these parts work together to keep the plant active, alive and healthy. So, this was my drawing and explanation of the plant cell and its important parts. I hope you liked my science project and learned something new from it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more educational videos. Thanking you for watching.